The Baldwin Locomotive Company built number 168 for the Denver and Rio Grande Railroad, entering service in 1883, before spending the next 50-plus years working across the railroad's narrow-gauge network, before being retired in 1938. That same year, 168 was donated to Colorado Springs, where it spent the next 70-odd years in the city's Antlers Park. In 2016, the city arranged with the Cumbres and Toltec Scenic Railroad to restore the engine to working order, where it arrived on the back of a low loader in September of that year. Over the next 2.5 years, at a cost of $508,000, the locomotive was restored to working order and has since pulled many special trains. Forward to the summer of 2025, and the C&T's opening day saw only 2 locomotives available, and for a week or so, 168 could be found at the head of the daily service train out of Antonito.